Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Grammarly step by step 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, open Google and type Grammarly in the search bar, then press enter. Over here, click on the official Grammarly website. After that, click the button that says Get Grammarly. Then you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up or log in. If you're new, click on sign up and enter your email and password. If you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Grammarly dashboard. Over here, click on the apps section. Then click on install for Windows to download the desktop app. While it's downloading, you can also install Grammarly as a browser extension. Over here, click install for Chrome. Then on the Chrome Web Store, click add to Chrome and confirm by selecting add extension. After that, click the puzzle icon in Chrome and pin the Grammarly extension. Then open a Google Doc or any text editor. Over here, you'll see the Grammarly icon in the text box. Click on it and Grammarly will start analyzing your writing. Then click on the underlined suggestions to apply them. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next